Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. This is John James Stevenson. He was born on October 10th, 1841 in New York City to Irish immigrant Reverend Andrew Stevenson and Pennsylvania native Ann Wilson, not to be confused with the Ann Wilson of Heart. He went to New York University and eventually became professor at West Virginia University, followed by an array of other jobs, including many geologic surveys. He is probably best known for geologic studies on the Pennsylvanian coal bed and associated strata. This was the beginning of detailed stratigraphic studies of coal beds in the U.S., and he was able to show that individual coal beds have unique characteristics that allow them to be identified elsewhere, which is an incredibly useful tool. He also helped pioneer stratigraphic work in southern Colorado, where he determined the southern Rockies got uplifted, not once, but multiple times. I don't know why I felt like doing that, but I did. And it happened, so deal with it. The other big thing is that he is one of the founders of the Geologic Society of America. And he was the first elected secretary and later served in other capacities, including the president in 1898, which is super fun. Yeah. And in case you don't know what that is, the Geological Society of America is basically like a conference and a group of geologists. So it's run by a group of geologists. There's a conference where we can all meet up from across the U.S. and just talk geology, see what projects we've been working on, see what connections we can make with other geologists who are doing the same work as us, and just help further the science. I actually gave a presentation a few years ago at GSA on our fossil site and the stratigraphic work we were doing there, which was terrifying because I thought I was going to be doing a poster, and then they were like, hey, we'd like you to give a talk. And I was like, oh, okay. I don't like public speaking. And yet here I am making videos, but I guess it's not really public speaking because I am by myself in a room talking to a screen and hoping that other people enjoy what they're seeing. It's not quite the same thing. Anyway, now that I've babbled enough about the GSA and how awesome I thought it was, I'm going to fossilization later. Oh, not fossilization later. I gotta let you know what we're talking about tomorrow. You want to turn into tomorrow's lesson because we're going to be talking about giant frickin' dragonflies of the Carboniferous. So come in for that. Then I will fossilize you later.